If you're looking to find your Roblox user ID, you've come to the right place. It's a quick and simple process, and I'm here to walk you through it. First things first, if you're on the Roblox app, you won't be able to find your user ID directly. So let's move over to a browser to make things easier. Open up your browser and go to roblox.com. Once you're on the website, you'll be prompted to log in. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. Otherwise, just enter your login credentials to get started. Now that you're logged in and on the home page, look at the top of the screen. Click on your username. This will open up your profile page. Right next to your username, you should see a number. This is your Roblox user ID. It's a unique number tied specifically to your account, and it's how other users can find your profile in the system. Once you've located it, you can simply copy the number and paste it wherever you need. Whether you're sharing it with friends or need it for something else, your user ID is now at your fingertips. That's all there is to it. It's a quick and simple process, and now you know how to access your Roblox user ID anytime you need it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!